Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the Iniu or Iniu power bank. This is the B63 model. It has PD up to 100 watts and the capacity is 25,000 milliampere. They call it the Safe Fast Charge Pro. And it's a big power bank with a display which will show you if you're using fast charge by that lighting lighting symbol, and the percentage remaining of the battery when charging and when discharging. It comes with 3 years warranty, and yeah, let's have a look inside. So it's not light, but it's not heavy either, which is good. You have a guide where it's actually showing you a few information about the specs of this battery, so you can have a look in here, and then they just describe what each port does, and depending on what charger you're using, that's how fast it will charge. 65 watts if you're using, sorry, in 2 hours if you're using a 65 watts fast charging adapter, 3 hours if you're using a 45 watts one, and 18 watts one will be 6 hours. So yeah, it's a big power bank, but it's still okay to take it on a flight with you, because it's still in the regulations. So looking at the power bank, as you can see, it's quite thick. This is the size of an iPhone 14. Yeah, so it's almost as big as that, but it's quite thick as well. So on the top we have 100 watts in and out, so that's what you're gonna use to charge it, and then you just have an output of 45 watts and 18 watts on USB-A. There's also a little side in here where you can use that to put your phone while charging. So let's say you charge like this, and you can just place your phone like that, and you can carry on using it or watching a movie. So yeah, it's really good. Let's see what else comes in the box. So on this side we have a carrying case, and on the other side we probably have the charging cable, which is a USB-C to USB-C. Slightly short cable, but I'm sure you have plenty of this around your house. But if you don't, you can definitely charge with this. So let's see, that's your normal carrying case that you see with other products as well, with other power banks from other companies. So it just goes nicely in there, and then you know, in case you drop it, at least is in here. But it's advisable not to drop these things because it could be dangerous. So yeah, be very careful when using it. So let's just have a look around. It looks really beautiful, I would say, with this big display. I wish there was more information displayed in there for like in terms of hours or how much wattage it goes out, but it's just showing a percentage, which is still good to see. That's the logo. It says fast charge power bank designed by Iniu or Iniu. Some more information on the back. Yeah, and if you press this power button, it will just show you, and don't worry about it's not really flickering like you see in the video. It just stays stable, so it's not flashing like that. Let's see if we put it a bit down, if it's changing. Not really, but yeah, definitely it's not flashing like that. It's just 34% and it stays like that. So now let's just take a laptop and see how much wattage it's using to charge. So we will take this HP laptop, which supports USB-C charging. I've already connected the cable to it, and let's just plug it in on the 100 watts and let's see how much it's using. It's on the other way. So at the beginning it's just slowly increasing based on the battery capacity, but it looks like it's using fast charging because you can see that lightning appearing in there. So it looks like it's kind of charging with 25, 27. So while it's charging, let's just try maybe charge something else as well. Let's use their cable. So their cable is this long. Was that like about 30, 40 centimeters? I'm gonna try and charge these headphones. So you see, when you connect something else, it's just readjusting. So now this is charging as well. And let's see, it's still using 27 probably. Yeah, still increasing to 27. And if I want to take it to extreme, let's just try and charge something else as well. We're going to charge a smartwatch as well, which we're going to use the USB-A port. That's a bit tight in there, and the watch is vibrating. Seems like this time that just stays in there. This is still charging, and now the thick watch is charging as well, as you can see from there. So yeah, unfortunately you can't really see how many hours left of charge, but you can clearly see that it's already 32%, and I think when we started the video it was 34. Obviously the laptop is taking a lot, and these ones, they don't take that much to charge. But yeah, there you have it, guys. This is the review of the Iniu fast charging power bank, B63, actually BL-B63. That could be also a 1, or yeah. Thank you for watching.